I'm going to put this last piece of insulation in over here. I've kind of just been going with the flow of this. And just do what you do to get it looking good. Because you ain't going to see none of this anyway. But you pretty much see I squared it all out. I put double insulation right here just because I want it to be warm. But yeah, that piece fits. We'll take some of this glue, liquid now, put a little bit there, glue it down. Just so nothing rattles. Yeah, boom. There you have it. Perfect for the boards to lay on top of it now. Nice support. It's going to be way stronger, way warmer. I think it's looking good. What do you think, babe? All right.
It's good.
Perfect. Perfect, babe. Man, it's been a while since I've recorded any video whatsoever. I'm really sorry, guys. My GoPro is dead. So I got this bottom piece in. I put these stripped here for now underneath. It's just pretty much these pieces cut in strips. I'm going to wind up taking it off and just painting the wood so you see white. The bed I got done. I put this white strip up here sideways to match. I rewrapped the carpet around right here underneath for that lip so it looks a lot better, and I got a whole piece of plywood in that bad boy. Nice plywood. It came out really nice. Put my piece of wood up right here, my white. I capped off these lines. Just need some white tape. Now I'm about to install some flooring. Me and my buddy Jacob just went to the Home Depot and picked up some vinyl plank flooring. It's free floating. And some underlayment boards. We're gonna lay this bad boy down. Yeah. It's coming out really nice, guys. This came out really well. Put a piece of tarp under there. I should have tucked it in the front, but you ain't noticing it. Came out really nice. The bed's up there nice and all. I like the white. I'm gonna put a piece of trim down eventually, but hoping this floor comes out nice and everything matches well.
You're not slick.
Yo, stop hating, dog. Get some footage for this shit.
I see it there.
I know. Let's go keep switching up the angles.
That's nice. Come on with the angle. Your current angle.
Oh yeah. I got Jake applying some liquid now to this board. He's being extra generous like we have tubes. Jake needs a hero! Oh, that's just water. Come together good, guys. Jake applied some liquid OP. See, I'm wearing moccasins. It's my thing, you know. It's probably not the smartest, but I like my big feet to breathe. My big, beautiful feet. I like them to breathe and all. I know it's a safety hazard, but it is what it is. It's looking good. Want me to screw this bad boy in, or you want to do it, baby Bash? All right, they're right there next to you. Alright guys, what we got going on here is I went with the plank, the vinyl plank flooring. Picked some up from Home Depot, you know, it wasn't too expensive. I spent like 38 bucks a carton because I didn't want to cheap out too much. But at the same time, I needed the color to kind of match, and there wasn't many colors that really matched, so I went with this, what is it called? Antique brushed oak. And it looks like it's rubbery. It's lighter and all. Yeah, it's pretty rubbery. As you can see, it just bends. And I'm hoping it looks good. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty good. It smells really good too. It's just a free floating floor in case this bad boy shift. I am gonna get trim for down here. And looks alright actually. I think it's gonna look good with that white. And I'm excited. Got that piece down. Looking really good. Yeah, so I got the back window in. And show you guys. My boy Jake out here taking measurements, doing some cutting. Good. That was it. Yeah.
Right here got to be cut over there.
Glue that bad boy down. That's right, right?
Yeah, but are there staple time right now?
Let's prep it and all. Let's do it. Laying these bad boys down long way, straight down, laying plain so the seams ain't seen. God bless y'all. There's little parts like this where we need to take our time. Jake likes to think, but it looks coming out pretty seamless and looking good. Yep. I'm feeling good about it. I got the floor installed. Started running low on sheets, so I had to run these couple this way, but most of them all the way done. I went ahead and pulled down all the wallpaper that I can, at least in here. I pulled down this whole wall too. I started painting it white because I had a little can of some paint. I wanted to see how it would stick. I'm gonna eventually get some good primer paint and really go at it, but I was just messing around. Got all the wallpaper off in the shower. Once I get these boards up, I can waterproof it. But yeah, I got all that wallpaper down on this wall. All the way wallpaper off the bottom of the door. I took the trim off around here because I got to do a lot of work there. Bathroom's looking really nice. I'm gonna get this wallpaper off because it was really on there tough. I might have to get a steamer or some chemical. We painted this white under here. We took that stripping down and painted that white, some paint. So when you shut it, you know, it's white. On the front window, I went ahead and taped it off around there on the inside and used Flex Seal around the whole window. So it's a tough leak it all. Never plan on taking it out. Still need to get my stripping. Got my stripping under here up all the way around. It's coming out really well, guys. I need to get my carpet stripping. I made this shelf temporarily right down there, and I also installed these cabinet drawers for storage. I mean, eventually when I'm going to take them off, put the overplate on, cut out the square, so when I open it and shut it, you know, and it's going to be a nice face plate. I just ran out of materials really, so I've been doing little odds and ends. Got the floor back here, I got to reinstall this thing. Thinking about picking up some paint when I get a paycheck and painting all this brown. Priming it, painting it nice white to match this white over here. Gotta pick up the other piece of whiteboard over there, of course, to finish that area. But got my two drawers in, capped off this. I can tap in my Mr. Buddy heater when I get the chance. I'm thinking about just running a straight line from the tank to here and just having a valve, like a turn valve thing on the tank in the back there. So that can be its own thing instead of having to turn on the gas for the stove for the hot water heater, you know, in order to just get the heater working. Got the cutout for under there. Boom. When I get a chance, I'm also going to throw some paint in this bad boy, get a little painted up nice. I'm definitely wrapping these eventually. I'm painting all this brown over here and stuff. All I need is a piece of wood up that bitch. Throw the wall up, seal it with some stripping, some lacquer, something that's really going to seal this wood. Throw my tub and staple it, whap, 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 all the way around. I want to Krylon paint my tub like a nice color, so it, you know, it ain't all shitty and old looking. And that shower's done, you know, curtain stuff there. It's ready for paint. Got all the wallpaper off. This side, I just need some insulation. I got some insulation. I got to insulate all these back ones, all these little square shits. It's a pain in the neck. I haven't got around to it. Obviously, I got to install my door. I got to put my light back up right here, which ain't no biggie deal. I just need to do it. Just little stuff, man. It's coming together now. Got my light parts in there I need to install. I left these bare so I can tap right into them. This bad boy just smells so good, man. It doesn't smell like rotted wood at all. It smells like new, fresh wood. But alright, man, that's enough for today. Pretty much get the gist. I'll let you know how it goes when I get the money up and shit.
The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen her. The way you move it, you make my PB go. Doing, doing, doing.